Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something spooky but super cute. A cute little ghost, very easy to draw. No fear allowed here. Only smiles, soft lines and fun shapes. Okay? So grab your pencil, pen, relax your hand and let's draw our friendly ghost together. Ready? Let's start drawing. As we draw the round head and baby body, I have here little story for you while we draw. Okay guys? Imagine a tiny ghost who wanted to scare people. But every time it said boo boo, people laughed instead. At first, the ghost felt sad, but then it realized making people smile is even better than scaring them. With every curve and happy face we draw, our ghosts become more confident and joyful. Now it's not a scary ghost at all. It's a smiley, friendly ghost. Say hello, everybody. Hello. And tada! Look at our adorable ghost. It's almost ready. So cute, so simple, and definitely not scary at all. Yes, if you like this drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and cute drawing videos. Comment below and tell me what cute character we should draw next. Until next time, keep drawing, keep smiling, and remember, even ghosts can be cute. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye.